Hi there again. Continuing on from the last episode, we're now going to be making secondary glazing for the front window of the bedroom. Look out!
Fuck's sake. Fucking hell, man. It's really difficult to do.
Yeah, it must be really difficult on your own.
Okay, I think we got it right this time. I think that's our position at last. Okay. So I think I'm happy.
Oh,
shit.
steady.
I think I'm happy with that.
Meanwhile, in my little broom cupboard workshop, I don't have many power tools, so most things I have to do by hand.
Okay, bottom support left. Bottom support right. Top rail left. We should have a mark on the wall there.
We're now going to make the frame around the central sliding piece of glass.
Right, we're going to just put a piece of tape here and draw our 45-degree angle.
Back to the broom cupboard behind the kitchen.
Left. Right.
I'm making a countersink for the back of the handles.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I think we're ready to
Stick it together. The extra layer of gaffer tape around the edge of the frame is protecting the seal from the glue.
I was thinking to do this tomorrow,
Attaching the wheels,
but actually I think I can do it now.
even though you're very tired.
It's probably a good idea to just get on with it. To put these, how we're going to do this. Let's find the middle point. Half is the middle, right?
Pay attention to what you're doing.
So if we go 80, then we're 80, then we're 80,
That doesn't look like the right side to me.
80, 80 and 80, perfect.
Oh dear. Spoiler alert, it's upside down.
There we go. They are all in a line.
On the wrong side.
Right, where's our little bag of goodies? Here we go. We have put this on the right fucking...
Oh dear. Lightning strikes not once but twice.
dipstick. I'm a fucking idiot. Now I've got to do this piece all again and paint it. Fuck's sake. Okay, I didn't give up. I cut another one.
Well done.
Let's really try not to fuck this up this time.
It's a mini railway.
Perfect.
Now we glue it onto the bottom of the window. And the following day we continue.
Good girl. Oh, it's nice. I still can't find my glasses.
They're properly on top of your head.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh. Okay, I found them. I don't really like these, and the other ones are broken. But they'll have to do at the moment. After all that faffing about, hours of sticking together paper straws to try and make air vents. I got bendy ones, bendy paper straws, which should, in theory, do the same thing. Okay, fingers crossed. This is it. Bendy straws that are flexible to work out. Aha! So this one goes here. We want to measure this at 45 degrees that way and mark a pencil mark very, very gently on it. Oh, fucking hell, be careful. Let's pop it in on our mark. Okay, which is to the right. Glazing tape, but this time it's white.
Well, we're pushing the boat out now. Steady as she goes.
Okay, today we are going to do the shelf windowsill. The windowsill, that's what it is called. And it's quite complicated. I've already measured it up and my god, there are numerous cuts here. And we're going to do it all by hand with this trusty sword thing. I need my cup of tea.
Is your microphone inside the jumper?
Nearly there.
God save me, please somebody buy me some power tools. Wow, look at that.
That's actually alright.
It bloody well fit.
Yep. It's okay. Okay. Right. Polished. Touchy feely. It was nice. Final cut.
The final countdown.
This is the last bit, you believe it. Massive jigsaw puzzle. This room is so relaxing.
Well, this episode will be continued when I show you the completed windows. It has been a complete transformation. No drafts and no traffic noise, even though there isn't that much traffic. Thanks for watching.